Hey guys, what's up? So today's video is about a natural makeup look. So natural makeup look is all about being natural and still with makeup. So first I am priming my face with Lakme Absolute Blur Primer. This is my absolute favorite primer. This fills up CO4 and also as you can see it have brightened my skin a lot. You can see the shade difference in my neck and face. Then I'm color correcting with a lipstick from Huda Beauty. This is the liquid matte and the shade is Material Girl. Then on that I'm using a squalene oil to give it a little more nourishment, and also there must be no wrinkles in this look. So I'm using both and also blending it with my beauty blender. So after that I'm using the Mars palette and I'm using a lightest shade than my face. This shade doesn't match my skin. This is a lighter shade. So natural makeup is all about being brighter. So no matter how what skin color tone you are, be sure to use a lighter one because lighter makes you always a little bit more fresher. So use one or two shade lighter, don't go all the way up. Then I'm blending it with a brush. You can blend it either way with a beauty blender or even a brush, whatever is convenient to you. But I needed a little bit more coverage, so I have used the brush, and the beauty blender always sucks the extra products, so you can also go for that if you want a more natural look. Then after applying powder, I'm using a little bit of brownish shade and outlining my lower and upper lid with it, and also blending whatever I have in my brush into my crease. So that is all my makeup was, and I have applied a little more lighter plushy shade, or you can say a little bit of silvery gold shade in my lips. And the basic is outlining your inner corners with highlighter. I'm using Swiss Beauty highlighter in the silver shade and highlighting my inner corners. This is because this gives you a little more brighter skin tone. Then applying real good mascaras are the key. You have to apply the mascara real good. This mascara is from Maybelline and I think it is Hyper Curl mascara. So I have applied really good coating it off 3 or 4 times after drying it up. Then I am also doing my brows with the same mascara just on the outer part. If you are going to do the front, it will be more chunkier. Then I am just getting a little longer eyebrows on my outer half, so it looks a little bit more thicker and prettier. And the eyebrow pen I'm using is from Etude House. Then this is the look which looks really natural. You don't have to go too much on your eyebrows because eyebrows should be looking also natural. Then after everything of your eyes and eyebrows are done, we need to apply a single coating on the outer half on our eyes of eyeliner. So you just need to line your lash line, not anything more than that. Then I am also curling my eyelash both on the upper and bottom lashes because, as I told, I want more awakened look, and that happens when you have really more and more lashes. Then I'm applying blush and contour as I usually do, and I have also blushed on my nose, as you can see. And I'm overlining my lips today. First I'm using a pink lip pencil which you even can't see. This is from Mars and the shade number is 11. Then I'm going to use a lighter shade first to fill in. That is the shade is from Nykaa Wonder Puff cushion lipstick and the shade is called Dream On. So this is for the first, and then I'm concealing the sides of my lips so it becomes more and more real looking. Then I'm using the Huda Beauty's matte lipsticks. Shade number is Trendsetter. So I'm filling with it, and then this is the finished look. I think this looks really good. Even in the morning, this was night when I have shooted it, but it looks really good on the morning as well, and the lash are looking real good as well. Just you need a mascara, and be sure to comment on my list.
Sure to comment or feel free to say if it is looking odd or not, because I'm always feeling my look. So thank you so much for watching, and subscribe and like. Bye.